Good morning, children. Welcome back to our next class of English coursebook lesson. In our last lesson 3, The Gift, we had read a small story of little girl Champa who gives a beautiful gift to her mother on her birthday. Now, I hope you all read the lesson thoroughly and are ready for our next exercise. Now we start our exercise on page 49, reading. Circle the correct words. Number 1. It is mother's or father's birthday. So we know the answer. Here it was Champa's mother's birthday. So circle it. Number 2. Lal Chacha gives Champa an egg or some fruits. So the answer is an egg. Number 3. Riaz gives Champa an orange or a mango. Yes, he gave a mango. So circle mango. Number 4. Champa runs home to mother because it is late, or she wants to give mother her gifts. So the answer is she runs home because she wants to give mother her gifts. Now we will move to part B. Answer these questions. Here the answer for these questions are oral. So let us see. Question 1. What does Dina Chachi give Champa? The answer is Dina Chachi gives Champa a can of fresh milk. Question 2. Who is Lal Chacha? Lal Chacha is the farmer. Question 3. What does Riaz give Champa? So do you remember what did he give? He gave a mango. So Riaz gives a mango for Champa. Question 4. Let me pick some pink and yellow flowers. Where does Champa see the flowers? For whom does she pick the flowers? So the answer is Champa saw the flowers in the field. She picked the flowers to her mother. So this completes the reading. Now here we have think, pair and share. Have you gone to the supermarket with your family? What did you see there? Did you use a basket or a bag to take home the food you bought? So yes, you have to think here. Whenever you visit a supermarket, you buy things. And how do you carry it? You use a basket or a bag to carry those things to your house. Now the next part, think and answer. Which gift will Champa's mother like the best? Tell your class what you think. So here you may have different answers like Champa's mother liked an egg or a mango or flowers or all the gifts. So you have to think and answer. The next part is using grammar. Read these sentences. This is Dina Chachi. She is milking her cow. She means Dina Chachi. Here the word she is written in red and is referred to Dina Chachi. So the word she is used in place of noun, that is Dina Chachi, and it is called as pronoun. Now let us see what are pronouns. Pronouns are words used in place of nouns. When we do not repeat the naming words, we use words like I, you, he, she, it and they. We use I when we are speaking about myself. He is used when we speak about a boy. She is used for a girl. It is used for a place, thing, animal and a fruit or vegetable. They is used if it is more than one person, animal or thing. Now we move on to our next exercise on page 50. We will read these sentences and note the pronouns used here. This is Lal Chacha. He is a farmer. He means Lal Chacha, and for boy we use pronoun he. Next one. Champa sees some flowers. They are beautiful. They means the flowers. As the flowers are many, we use the pronoun they. Next. Look at Champa's basket. It is full. It means basket, which is a thing here. So, he, she, they and it are pronouns. We use a pronoun in place of a naming word. Now let's do the next exercise A. Match the correct pronouns to the picture. Here we have to look carefully at the girl showing the nouns and match it to the correct pronoun. The first picture, the girl is pointing to a boy, and for boy we use the pronoun he. So it is matched to he. The second picture is a girl, and for girl we use she. So match it. The third picture is children playing. Since They are many, we use the pronoun they. So here we match they. The last one is a bicycle and it is a thing. So we use it. Here it is it. Now part B. Read these sentences. Say who or what the word in color is about. Aditi is my friend. She is very short. She means Aditi. So here the pronouns are given in red and to whom it refers we have to write. Now number 2. I like this dress. It is pretty. It means here the pronoun it is used to describe the dress. So it means dress. So write down dress. Third. Kala and Sanjeev look for the ball. They find it under a table. They means Kala and Sanjeev. Number 4. This is Saif. He is playing with the toy car. He means Saif. Number 5. Usha is in the park. She is playing a game. She means Usha. So this completes our exercise. Now next page 51, using words. Dan and his mother are at the market. They want to buy fruits and vegetables. Match the items on their list to the fruits and vegetables. So here we have a rack of fruits and vegetables and the names are given in the green column which we have to read and match it to the picture one by one. So let's start. Number 1, bananas. Number 2, watermelons, pineapples, mangoes, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and the last, brinjals. So this completes our exercise. Now we move on to next page 52, speaking, work in pairs. Look at the pictures of the animals. Take turns to talk to your friend about each animal. You must name it and say where it lives, what it eats. So the first picture is of a rat. Rat lives in holes or homes and storage rooms also. They eat all the garbage, leftover food, fruits, vegetable, nuts, paper and so. Next is of a cat. Cat is a domestic animal and usually kept as a pet at home. It eats the meat and also likes to drink milk. The third picture is of an elephant. It is a wild animal, lives in jungle and it eats plants. It likes to eat sugarcane as well. The next animal is a tiger. It is also a wild animal and lives in jungle. It eats the flesh and meat of other animals. The last one is a deer. Deer lives in jungle and eats plants. Next we have spelling. Use A, E, I, O or U and complete these words. So you all have already learnt about the vowels and here we have to use these 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U to complete the words. Now let's start with the first one. F, L, O, W blank R. Here we have to fill E to complete the word F, L, O, W, E, R, flower. Second one, F, R blank E N D. So here we fill with I to make F, R, I, E, N, D, friend. Third, P, E blank C, O, C, K. Can you guess which is the vowel used here? It is P, E, A, C, O, C, K. The vowel is A, peacock. Number 4, S, O blank N, D. Here comes U to make the word S, O, U, N, D, sound. Number 5, R, A, B, B blank T. Oh, this is very easy. It is R, A, B, B, I, T, rabbit. Now this is done. Next we move to writing. Match A with B. Write the complete sentences in your notebook. So here we have 2 columns A and B. We will read one by one from A and search the answer in B. Begin with the first one. Champa looks around. The answer is in column B. It is D, the village. So write down 1 for D. Second, Dina Chachi. Answer is F, is milking her cow. Write down 2. Third, Lal Chacha. The answer is A, gives Champa an egg. So write here 3. Fourth, Riaz is. So do you remember who is Riaz? He is Champa's best friend. And here it is E, write 4. Number 5, Champa picks some. The answer is C, pink and yellow flowers. Write 5. the last one. Mother is happy with. Now the left one is B. So write 6 for B, the basket of gifts. Now next we have phonic practice. Listen and repeat. So here are some words given. Listen to me carefully and repeat after me. Number 1. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, that. Number 2. A fat cat, a rat on a bat, a hat on a mat, that cat. B. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Pen, pot, pin, put, parrot, ship, top, lip, map, shop. Number 2. Bag, bell, bun, bin, butter, tub, nib, cub, rub, web. Number 3. Pin, bin, pat, bat, pet, bet, cup, cub, nip, nib. A big bag, bun and butter, the nib of a pen, a pin in a bin. Now next we have project. Find out how fruits and vegetables grow. Then draw a garden and draw the fruits and vegetables growing. Put these pictures up on the walls of your classroom. So children, this is your project work. You can do it on your weekend and place it in your classroom when you are joining back the school. So now we move on to the last page of our lesson, Take Off. Learn the happy birthday song. Now see if you can sing it these ways. As low as you can, as high as you can, as slowly as you can, as fast as you can. So children, enjoy singing this birthday song. Next, learning journal. Circle the correct picture. I understood most of the lesson, some of the lesson, a little of the lesson. I can do better. So you can tick here accordingly and you have a nice chance to re-watch the video to see that you can understand most of the lesson. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.